guys, I just quickly wanted to show you guys this super cool little dress I found for Eva. This was at a local craft show, and it was like $4. No, sorry, it was $6, and it's all handmade, and it has little puffed sleeves. And we got this since like Zoe, Sophia, Peyton, and then Jackson will all have Christmas outfit. So we needed to get something that was small enough to fit her, because all the stuff at Walmart, they didn't have like preemie size like Christmas dresses. Like, we're even having a heck of a time finding Christmas tux for Jackson. So we saw this at a local craft show, and we're like so happy with that. So this is gonna go on her, and I just kind of wanted you guys to see it before Christmas Day. So thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!